Good morning, medical fans. Andre the Giant and the Big Show have some remarkable similarities. In their prime, their true height was about 7 feet tall. At their heaviest, each weighed in excess of 500 pounds, and the Big Show was even known as Son of Andre when he started his career. At that time, the Big Show was known as the Giant. He wore a similar singlet to Andre, and he often posed and mimicked Andre's mannerisms. It's no wonder that Andre's most well-known match was against Hulk Hogan at WrestleMania 3, and Big Show's first pro wrestling win was against the Hulkster. It made his career. Although they aren't actually father and son, they do share some very similar medical traits. Both men suffered from acromegaly. That's a condition where a tumor on the pituitary gland results in excess growth hormone. Many sufferers of this condition wind up with large hands, feet, and cranium. Take the French angel as an example. By the way, the angel was the inspiration for the character known as Shrek. Can you see the similarities? So why did Andre pass away in his 40s, while the Big Show seems healthy and agile as ever? Well, lifestyle can be a consideration. Andre was a heavy drinker, he didn't receive much medical care, and he traveled in cramped vans and airplanes. Big Show, by contrast, has his own personal tour bus, has had liposuction and a personal trainer, and lives a bit of a healthier lifestyle. However, the biggest difference may be a result of one single surgery. Early in his career, the Big Show was diagnosed with acromegaly. As a result, he had laser surgery that removed the tumor from his pituitary gland. Where Andre's bones never stopped growing, Big Show eventually stopped. That's why he looks like a relatively normally proportioned person, where Andre had so-called giant features. Nobody will ever surpass the legend of Andre the Giant. He was sort of the first of his kind, the first giant to receive worldwide exposure. Big Show's career may last longer. He may be a better wrestler, and he may be more athletic, but he will never be Andre. Leave a comment below. Who was your favorite? Are you an Andre guy, or do you love the show? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, we have new videos all the time. See you next time.
Sometimes I can't sleep, so I take Rest More at night. It helps me fall asleep fast and stay asleep. I need more energy during the day, so I can get more done and feel refreshed. So I take Meta 7 every morning. Rest More is an all-natural sleep formula intended to aid your natural sleep cycle. Meta 7 was developed by Dr. John Gilmore to boost your metabolism. Visit Amazon and try both today.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try buyrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.